Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, differentiation. Let us see question. Find dy by dx if. Let us see example number 1. X is equal to a t raised to 4 and y is equal to 2a t square. So, two differentiable functions are given x and y with respect to t. So, here we can consider let x and y are differentiable functions with respect to t. So consider first x is equal to a t raised to 4. Now differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dx by dt is equal to a is constant, therefore a d by dt of t raised to 4. So a as it is. Now we know that d by dt of t raised to 4, that is 4 t raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3, 4t cube. So here we got 4a t cube dx upon dt. For this we can say equation number 1. Now let us consider y is equal to 2a t square. Y is a differentiable function with respect to t. Therefore differentiate with respect to t, and therefore dy by dt is equal to 2 is constant, 2a both are constant, d by dt of t square 2a, but we know that the derivative of d by dt of t square, that is 2t raised to 1, therefore 2t, and 2 into 2, that is 4at. Now here we got dy by dt is equal to 4at. We can say equation number 2. But here we have to find dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. So here by equation 1 and 2 we can put the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. So dy by dt means 4at and dx by dt means 4a t cube. So 4a upon 4a get cancelled, 1t get cancelled, and here we got 1 upon t square. This is the dy by dx of given two functions. X is equal to a t raised to 4 and y is equal to 2at square. So let us see number 2. Example number 2. Here we have x is equal to cos log t and y is equal to log cos t. So here also x and y are differentiable functions with respect to t. So let's consider x is equal to cos log t. Now differentiate x with respect to t, and therefore dx by dt is equal to d by dt of cos log t. But we know that derivative of cos, that is minus sign log t. Now we have to take the derivative of log t, d by dt of log t, and we know that the derivative of log, that is 1 upon. So here 1 upon t. So minus sign log t into 1 upon t, and again derivative of dt upon dt, that is 1. So here we got minus sign log t upon t. This is the derivative of x with respect to t. For this we can say equation number 1. Now let us consider next function. Y is equal to log cos t. Again here differentiate with respect to t. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to d by dt of log cos t. So here again derivative of log, that is 1 upon cos t, and derivative of cos t with respect to t. But we know that the derivative of cos, that is minus sign. So here 1 upon cos t, derivative of cos, that is minus sin t, and derivative of t with respect to t, that is dt upon dt, and dt upon dt, that is 1. So here we got minus sin t upon cos t, that is minus tan t, and dt upon dt, that is 1. So this is dy by dt. For this we can say equation number 2. Therefore, by equation 1 and 2, we can write dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. So here we can put the value of dy by dt, that is minus tan t, and we can put the value of dx upon dt, that is minus sin log t upon t. So by multiplicative inverse we can write t tan t upon minus sin log t. So here minus minus will get cancelled. So here we got only sin log t. And this is the derivative, dy by dx. Again we can write t tan t upon sin log t. So this is the derivative of given function. Now let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.